Starting around the 7th of June 2023, Chiliz explicitly is exchanging at 9 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.17% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which especially is very huge. CHZ basically has in every practical sense complete market cap of $639,721,232 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $42,721,948, which most certainly shows that starting around the 7th of June 2023, Chiliz basically is exchanging at 9 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.17% in most recent 1 hour in a truly significant manner. This especially makes Chiliz sort of positioning at 64 in the digital money market, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz sort of be essentially worth in 2023, which in a real sense is very critical. Is Chiliz a wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? Will CHZ cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking high, which certainly is very huge? These by and large are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Chiliz value expectation 2023 as per the Chiliz conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the CHZ cost in every practical sense is supposed to basically cross a by and large normal value level of 13 cents. A normal extremely least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the especially current year ought to essentially be 13 cents in a fundamentally enormous manner. Besides, CHZ can for the most part arrive at a greatest value level of 14 cents in a by and large enormous manner. Chiliz value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Chiliz cost explicitly is conjecture to arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of 9 cents. Or so they truly thought. The CHZ cost could fundamentally arrive at a kind of greatest cost of 11 cents with the genuinely normal expected cost around 11 cents in a kind of enormous manner. Chiliz value expectation July 2023. The cost of Chiliz explicitly is anticipated to explicitly reach at a genuinely least worth of 11 cents in July 2023, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The CHZ cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 11 cents with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023, which generally is very huge. Chiliz value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the fundamentally most extreme cost for Chiliz could really stretch around 12 cents amazingly. Moreover, the minimum cost of CHZ in August 2023 essentially is 11 cents with a fundamentally normal cost of 12 cents, which truly shows that this in a real sense makes Chiliz sort of positioning at 64 in the digital currency market, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz value figure September 2023. The Chiliz cost for September 2023 may explicitly arrive at least worth of 11 cents while the exceptionally greatest determined cost fundamentally is around 12 cents incredibly. The very normal cost for CHZ basically is in every practical sense anticipated to sort of reach 12 cents in September 2023, or so they really thought. Chiliz value expectation October 2023. The cost for Chiliz in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 12 cents and 13 cents in a sort of large manner. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around 12 cents. So Chiliz value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Chiliz cost certainly is estimate to in a real sense arrive at an in a real sense the least cost of 9 cents in a quite huge manner. Chiliz value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the kind of greatest cost for Chiliz could in every way that really matters stretch around 14 cents, or so they generally thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of CHZ in November 2023 by and large is 12 cents with a genuinely normal cost of 12 cents, or so they generally thought. Chiliz value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the truly greatest cost for Chiliz could for the most part stretch around 14 cents, which especially is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of CHZ in December 2023 truly is 13 cents with a sort of typical cost of 13 cents. So Chiliz value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the most extreme cost for Chiliz could explicitly stretch around 12 cents, or so they truly thought. Chiliz fundamentally passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been most certainly diminished by 3.27% in its in every practical sense Current worth, further appearance. How besides, the minimum cost of CHC in August 2023 by and large is 11 cents with a for the most part normal cost of 12 cents, which essentially shows that this for the most part makes Chiliz truly positioning at 64 in the digital money market, which really is genuinely huge, assuming we certainly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the CHZ with yesterday. You can truly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, which shows that Chiliz value expectation July 2023. The cost of Chiliz generally is truly anticipated to really reach at an especially least worth of 11 cents in July 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz especially is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in a genuinely huge manner. The CHC in every practical sense is down to nearly 7.57% in the truly most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for truly past kind of couple of days. The coin could especially have serious areas of strength for genuinely yet. We don't for the most part believe that it would a productive resource in every practical sense, present moment, or so they really thought. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of CHC in every way that really matters diminished by 34.728%, taking out an incredible fundamentally normal amount of 4 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be in every practical sense great in a real sense purchase and open door for the most part fast interest in a truly significant manner. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 33.78%, and the cost explicitly coursed from a fundamentally least truly normal cost of 13 cents to pretty most extreme genuinely normal cost of 14 cents in the precise beyond 90 days. Truly further appearance how this in a real sense makes Chiliz exceptionally positioning at 64 in the digital currency market in a genuinely enormous manner. Chiliz generally is somewhere around 12.68% with the essentially greatest kind of typical cost of the coin certainly was around 11 cents and the fundamentally least kind of typical cost of generally was around 11 cents in fundamentally beyond 4 months, or so they generally thought. Chiliz value figure 2023 FAQs what will sort of be Chiliz genuinely worth in 2023 in a very enormous manner. The CHC cost in a real sense is guanched to basically arrive at a by and large greatest degree of 14 cents with really least cost of 13 cents toward the finish of 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. Does Chiliz truly have a future, which all things considered, is very critical. As far as value, Chiliz fundamentally has an exceptional most certainly potential to arrive at new levels, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. It basically is conjecture that CHC will increment in esteem. For the most part further appearance how the CHC basically is down to nearly 7.57% in the truly most recent 7 days. As per unmistakable specialists and business examiners, Chiliz can really raise a ruckus around town the greatest cost of $4.18 till 2030, exhibiting that besides CHC can generally arrive at a most extreme value level of 14 cents in a genuinely enormous manner. Is Chiliz essentially worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is genuinely huge. Chiliz's worth in a real sense is supposed to sort of keep on growing, as lack will in general all things considered support cost rise, which sort of is genuinely huge. Kindly